Welcome everyone to this first video of 2021. This is going to be a rather unusual video in this channel. People these days are buying full frame cameras or mirrorless cameras, but I bought myself a film camera because there's a saying that you won't be a photographer until you shoot on a film camera. So that being said, I have in my hand a Yashica MF-2 Super film camera. It is in a leather case. If you want to get to the camera, you have to unscrew this below the case. Once you've done that, you have the actual camera itself. This camera has a 38mm fixed lens. This is a film camera, so it has no crop factors. Let's turn on the camera. But it has no button. So how do you turn on this camera? You simply put two AA batteries. Once you put on the battery, it starts a buzzing sound. I don't know if it's just in this camera or all cameras does that. This wheel here is for rolling out the film. Here, let's see where you will insert the actual film. This compartment here holds the actual film, and this is where the actual film gets exposed. And every time you take pictures with this camera, you have to roll off the film to take the next picture. If you want to use the flash, you have to push the flash out. That's about it. Currently I've ordered some films to shoot on, but for some reason I didn't have it yet. But once I do, I will surely shoot picture with this camera. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next week. Peace.